Hello friends, I am Dr. Hina Kudyar. I am a plastic surgeon practicing in Delhi and co-founder of the Escalpia Clinic. So today I will be discussing about the various changes which occur in our face with aging. So a normal youthful face is hydrated, toned and has an even skin texture. However, there are various changes which occur in our face with the aging process. These changes can occur both due to the internal and the external factors. Internally, there is loss of elasticity and tone of the connective tissue. Then there is decrease in the production of the natural oils and decrease in the deep facial fat, which leads to manifestation of these changes. Externally, there are various factors which contribute towards the aging process, the most important being exposure to UV radiation. UV radiation is a very important cause of primary aging. Then apart from exposure to UV radiation, repetitive facial movements and expressions and smoking also contribute towards the appearance of these changes. Now coming to the signs of aging, there is appearance of wrinkles over the forehead and around the eyes. Then there is deepening of the smile lines. There is formation of skin folds over the eyelids. Then there is formation of jowls. Then sagging of the neck skin with the formation of neck bands. These facial aging signs can be minimized to some extent with a good skincare regime which incorporates the use of a regular sunscreen with a sun protection factor of 30 and more, and with certain lifestyle modifications like consumption of food rich in antioxidants, avoiding smoking and other healthy lifestyle modifications.
Hello everyone, I am Dr. Deeksha Dikshit, a plastic surgeon and co-founder of the Escalpia Clinic at GK1 in New Delhi. Now Dr. Hina has already told you about all the facial changes which occur with aging. Today I will tell you or walk you through all the procedures where an expert can help you get a fresh, young and a natural looking appearance. We start with early signs of aging. During early signs of aging, we suddenly notice fine lines or wrinkles around our eyes, around our lips and on the forehead. These fine lines or wrinkles, which we call as expression lines, develop because of the repeated use of our underlying muscles which are below your skin and is attached to the skin. So when you express, when you laugh, when you frown, all these expression lines appear which are because of the contraction of these underlying muscles. The action of Botox is to paralyze these muscles temporarily so that even when you frown, those muscles are not used and these lines are not formed. With age, you appear dull and there is development of irregular color changes on the facial skin apart from loss of suppleness or tone of the skin. There are various skin tightening and brightening devices which are available. Some of them are most commonly used are laser devices, radio frequency devices in terms of medical facials, and then there are treatments like platelet rich plasma and dermabrasions. All these devices, they help improve the texture and the tone of the skin and makes the skin more supple by helping or enhancing the development of supporting tissues below the skin. With advanced aging, there is loss of volume of the mid-face, hollowing of the eyes and excess sagging skin on the upper and the lower lid along with formation of marionette lines along the lips. Apart from this, there are development of many folds around the mid-face, namely the nasolabial fold and the fold around the side of the jaws which we call as jowls. Advanced aging signs can be catered to various other treatments. The volume deficiency is usually managed by commonly used treatment is known as fillers or liquid facelift. These fillers are inert hyaluronic acid materials which are injected in the part of where there is volume loss, which enhances the mid-face and also gives a supple appearance to the face. These fillers can also be used for treating the hollowness of the eyes. But these fillers have a limitation of being as a temporary procedure. If we are looking for a prolonged or a long-lasting procedure, the counterpart of fillers is fat grafting, which helps improve the volume of the mid-face. The sagginess of the face leading to development of jowls and nasolabial pole can be catered to by office procedure which we call as thread lift. These threads are cog PDO threads which are inserted in below the skin and then tightened to improve the midface and the sagginess of the skin. All these office procedures like Botox, fillers and thread lifts which improve the facial contour have a limitation of being temporary procedures. If we are looking for more permanent solutions, which we have more invasive procedures in form of facelift in which the sagginess, the volume of the face and the neck, both it is catered to in one go. Apart from that, the eyes, periorbital or the eye rejuvenation in terms of hollowness of eyes, eye bags and excess skin on the upper and the lower eyelid can be catered to by eyelid surgeries which we call as blepharoplasties. Blepharoplasties not only help in removing the excess skin around the eyes, but it also gives a rejuvenated youthful appearance by getting rid of the eye bags which gives a dull appearance to the skin. Before embarking on all these procedures, you need to have an expert opinion of what suits your face or what is warranted on your face. We all are here as experts to help you in this process. Wish you a happy skin. Thank you.